Markevich, owner of Hal-9000 Hammond Organs, formerly known as Hal-9000 Organs. In front of me, you'll see what I consider to be my masterpiece. This is the compact Lester. It's made in two pieces for ease of mobility. 42 pounds for the amplifier, 55 pounds for the Lester. This amplifier is rated at 80 watts. It's got 40 going to the horn driver and 40 more going for the bass section. The bass section is 20 inches of bass. It's two tins facing up. There's a paddle on the back side of the top rotator that makes it simulate like it has a bottom rotator also. As you can see, there's been an addition to the top of the compact Lester. This is what we call the Growl-Box. This Growl-Box was collaborated on between myself and Skip Simmons. Simple on-off switch, pre and post gains, 1/4 inch in, 1/4 inch out. The Growl-Box was designed and built by Skip Simmons, and he did such a wonderful job on it that you can actually, I use Casio keyboards and run them through this into my compact Lester. Sounds just like a B3A100C3, any of the common Hammond organs. Please stay tuned for a couple of brief demonstrations on this Growl-Box played through the compact Lester by two local keyboardists. For more complete details, go to Hal-9000HammondOrgans.com and you'll see a real long dissertation on this system and how it works, how you can order it, how much it costs, and what the delivery times are. Thanks for watching.